Hello viewers, welcome to Anvita's Cookhouse vlog Magical Medicine in Our Kitchen. And today's magical medicine in our kitchen is bay leaf. I am going to share with you some secrets and medicinal properties of bay leaf because it is a combo pack which has all the properties required for our body during this monsoon. This rainy season lasts from June to September. I must say this is a cold and flu season. It comes around every year, and every year we worry and see whether we'll get stuck down with any of these flus and common colds. We may even call rainy season as dengue season. Especially babies, toddlers and kids suffer a lot during this season. But this year, along with normal flus, pandemic, corona and lockdowns are running as well. Unfortunately, nothing has a vaccine, neither a common cold, flu, dengue, nor corona. Nothing more that we can do during this pandemic, except one and only solution is amping up our immune system. Situations outside are more worse that even we need to think twice for visiting hospital to do regular checkups. And now, only thing we can do at home is to amp up our immune system easily by incorporating some simple and delicious practices into our everyday lives. We are going to prepare bay mix with the bay leaves that I am going to show you in the video. And if you inculcate this as a daily habit in our day-to-day life, chances are very high to get rid of these flus, dengues, especially in this monsoon. The process is very simple and the ingredients we require are only water and bay leaf. Before that, I would like to share with you some magics that bay leaf do to our body regarding our health. Even though there are other magical medicines in our kitchen, I prefer bay leaf as first because for kids they don't show interest and disagree to drink herbal teas because of its spicy nature. But your kids feel free to drink this bay leaf because it is not as spicy as herbal tea. But one thing I would like to remind you all, sleep is good enhancer for amping up our system. Even though you take nutrient rich food, if you don't have enough sleep, I should say no use. So food and sleep both are very important in amping up our immunity. Nowadays, lot of us suffer from insomnia, a trouble to fall asleep due to stress either from office burdens or due to some personal problems. Here comes bay leaf into action. Are you wondering how? Due to the presence of a compound called linalool. Presence of linalool in the bay leaf lowers the level of stress hormones in the body. These leaves help you calm down and combat symptoms of depression as well. So linalool acts as stress buster too. Linalool has sedative effect on our central nervous system and sends slow signals to brain, calming up our whole body. There was a saying that having a glass of water with 2 drops of bay leaf essence helps to fall asleep. So this is how inculcating a bay leaf in our day-to-day life relieves you from stress and inculcates good sound sleep, thereby increasing your immunity. Another important thing that I would like to share with you, nowadays irrespective of age, most of the men are prone to cardiovascular diseases, nothing but heart disease due to accumulation of bad cholesterol in arteries. Unwanted fats, cholesterol and many more waste particles get deposited in our arteries due to lack of proper diet and lack of proper physical activity. You can see in the picture deposited fats, cholesterol and any unwanted substances in the arteries. Our white blood cells gets attracted and triggers inflammation condition called plaque. Sometimes they grow severe enough to block blood flow. The larger the cholesterol sits in your artery, the harder it becomes. Blood flow will be stopped, oxygen transport is stopped, leading to heart attack. So here comes bay leaf into action again. Bay leaves have two important phenolic components called caffeic acids and the flavonoid component called rutin. These helps in lipid metabolism, that is nothing but degradation of unwanted lipids and unwanted fats, and is often considered as digestion and absorption of dietary fats. Rutin also acts as an antioxidant. So, if you inculcate bay leaf in your diet daily, there are chances that you can prevent heart diseases. You can see some more important functions of bay leaf in the picture. We have already covered about insomnia and we covered about heart diseases, and the remaining, it also plays a major role in diabetes and in digestion also. And one more important factor that I would like to cover here is about eugenol. I should say eugenol is one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet. It is also a natural antibacterial agent and antiviral too. You might get a doubt, what is an antioxidant? The compounds that are used to prevent oxidation process are called antioxidants. And again the doubt arises in your mind, what happens if oxidation occurs in our body? There are some unnecessary oxidation reactions in our body that results in the production of free radicals, which ultimately result in cancer. To prevent this, we need some antioxidants to stop these unwanted oxidation reactions, and one of such a best antioxidant is eugenol, which is present in bay leaf. So if we inculcate bay leaf in our diet, chances are high to avoid cancer as well. Each spice has its own medicinal value, so try to inculcate other foods along with the bay leaf, and it is going to help a lot, especially during these monsoons. Another important problem most of the people are facing nowadays, irrespective of their age, is arthritis. Bay leaf has been a traditional remedy for arthritis for a long time. Researchers have discovered that bay leaves contain anti-inflammatory properties, as well as some volatile oils in the bay leaves can alleviate arthritic pain. You can see in the video, it's a footage of knee. Articular cartilage wears away over time, causing narrowing of joint space. So shock absorption loss as joint space narrows. Bone can rub against bone, causing pain. This pain and inflammation can be reduced using bay leaf mix. Now it's time to see how to prepare this bay leaf mix. This is just a very simple process. Bring water to boil, add 4 bay leaves and simmer it. Boil for 2 more minutes, close the lid, steep it for 5 more minutes. Serve into the cup and enjoy the magical medicine in the bay leaf mix. So these are the wide medicinal properties of bay leaf. But I should say one important thing, anything in excess is always harmful. You should take it in a limit. Dear viewers, make bay leaves a part of your daily diet. Add 2 to 3 leaves in your delicacies and experience health at its best. Meet you soon with one more magical medicine in our kitchen and its secret. So stay tuned. Please do subscribe Anvita's Cook House.